everybody, so today we are making seafood boil. Wow! We have 2 bags of raw shrimp from Walmart, the jumbo, easy peel, deveined and tail on.
Oh wait, it's not peeled yet?
No, we can peel it. We got baby potatoes. We got 4 corns, minced garlic because Baba doesn't want to cut the garlic at all. 8 sticks of butter. We got Old Bay, paprika, this cayenne, paprika, and lemon pepper. And we also have a turkey sausage because we don't eat red meat in this house.
I do.
Right now, Baba is peeling the corn. I'm not cooking today because I'm supposed to do homework. But, ta-da! Okay, no. Yeah, struggle. Okay. Ooh! I can't do that.
You did it too.
It smells like fart. And rinse, and shake, rinse. Boom. 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 I think the potatoes were supposed to go first. It's okay.
I gotta wash them.
I know, but like, I'm just saying because like they cook slower. We are on the way to wash the potatoes.
How that motherfucker hot in the bitch?
Anyways, so you let the corn and potatoes cook until it's good to eat. Carefully pour it into the water. Now it is time for my specialty. You need 4 tablespoons of Old Bay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyways, and then 2 tablespoons of everything else.
You gotta make extra sauce.
I know.
So double the portion.
No, I'm going to triple it. I actually don't have any more Old Bay.
Are you serious? Why didn't you check?
Because it looked like enough. So, I like a lot of garlic. So, I am putting in 2 scoops. It's probably like 8 cloves. I don't know. And then you put the butter in. Okay, so this is 8 sticks of butter, and I might add more garlic. I don't know, I'm a garlic girl.
Alright.
Alright, so when the butter is all melted and the garlic is cooked through, add the seasoning. We decided to put onion in it today, so we'll see how that is because we kind of put it a little
Me and Baba love onions. We love onions.
Everything is finito except the sausage. Oh my jeez. Spread the garlic. Spread the garlic on this side. My whole product. Ew, there's butter on my hand. Look at the onion. Onion.
What do you think?
I think this is the best we made it. What about you? Okay, rate for tonight's dinner.
Tonight's dinner, oh, we have to add the fact that my parents brought barbecue back home. So they brought back ribs, barbecue baked beans, mac and cheese, and some barbecue chicken. It was fucking smack or these slaps. So the shrimp and all the boil, seafood boil, along with the barbecue, the southernness. Oh my gosh. That's my rate. Comment down below if you think that's a fire combination.
Okay.
Seafood boil and barbecue. It was fucking fire, guys.
We ate outside, and I have a bug bite on my butt.
We ate outside, guys. It was beautiful today. We couldn't pass up the opportunity.
Who's singing? Okay, we gotta go now because
We're watching season 7, episode 3 of Vampire Diaries right now.
the best show in the world. This is the best season because Miss Elena Gilbert gone finally.
That's fucked up. I liked her.